morning children, welcome to your English class. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So today unit 5 merry-go-round, page number 54. On the page number 54 question answers are given. That one we will see. First of all, let's see what we have seen in our previous class. So in our previous class we have seen about we have recite the poem, we have seen the meaning of the poem, afterwards circle the odd one out we have seen, after that rhyming words we have seen, choose the correct options we have seen, lots of things we have seen. Today let's see question answers. So answer the, come on read with me, ANSWER answer, TH the, FOLLOWING following, QUESTIONS questions. Again, answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. What is written first? Let's see. Come on, read with me. HOW how, DID did, TH the, MERRY marry, go round, go. Again we will read whole sentence. How did the merry-go-round go? कैसे जा रहा था merry-go-round? So merry-go-round went round and round. We have seen ना? What we have seen? What the girl said? I climbed up on the merry-go-round and it went round and round, round and round. Right? तो वो merry-go-round कैसे जा रहा था? Round and round. So let's write here. So here I have written the merry-go-round went. Go का past tense क्या हुआ? Went round and round. So this is the first question. Let's see the second one. HOW how, DID did the big brown horse go. कैसे जा रहा था big brown horse? So what you have seen? We have seen in the poem, I climb up on the big brown horse and it goes up and down, up and down. तो वो कैसे जा रहा था? Up and down, up and down. So what will we write? The big brown horse. Go के जगह क्या आ जाएगा? Went, because did is here. Went up and down, up and down. So here I have written the big brown horse went up and down. Up and down, up and down जा रहा था. Now next, what is the next question? Have, HAVE have, you, SEEN seen a merry-go-round. Have you seen merry-go-round? क्या आपने merry-go-round देखा है? So yes, we all have seen. So what we have to write? Yes, I have seen. So here I have written, yes, I have seen. What was the question? The question is, have you seen a merry-go-round? So yes, I have seen. Next question. WHERE where have you seen it? तो आपने merry-go-round कहाँ पे देखा? It means merry-go-round. So where you have seen? So merry-go-round always we have seen where? In the fair, in the fun fair. So we have to write, I have seen it in the fair. So here I have written in the fair, I have seen. What you have seen? Merry-go-round you have seen. Now next, would you like to go to a fair? क्या आपको fair में जाना पसंद है? So yes, most probably all like to go. So I have written yes, I like to go to a fair. मुझे fair में जाना, मुझे मेले में जाना पसंद है. So this is about the question answers. Now everyone take out page number 54 of your test book. I am waiting for 2 minutes. So page number 54, a picture of the fair is given here. And what is the question? The question is written here. Keep your finger. Look at this picture and describe the fair. This is the picture of the fair. Fair यानी क्या? मेला. मेળાનું picture છે અને આપણે એને describe કરવાનું છે, right? So how will you describe? So there is a fair, right? So many peoples are here. One boy is enjoying the merry-go-round, right? Some children enjoying toy train and one shop of, which shop it is? Toy shop is also there. Some children are purchasing toys from the toy shop. Then afterwards balloon seller is also there. So this is about the what picture description. इसको क्या कहते हैं? पिक्चर डिस्क्रिप्शन. ये पिक्चर है और हमने इसका डिस्क्राइब किया. Now what I want this type of description from you. Make the video for this and send me. Right? This is the picture of the fair. So many peoples are there in the fair. Some students are enjoying the toy car. One big or one small toy shop is also there. Some children are purchasing toys. Then balloon seller is also there, and some children are standing with the balloon seller uncle. Then one boy is enjoying, what he is enjoying? Merry-go-round. Parents are there, balloons are there. In this way you can describe the picture. So this is called the picture description. इसको क्या कहते हैं? Picture description. Now talk about the things you enjoy at the fair. आप लोग fair में क्या enjoy करते हैं? तो what you enjoy? आप फेयर में जाते हो, आप मेले में जाते हो, तो व्हाट यू एन्जॉय? आई एन्जॉय द राइड्स. सारी राइड्स एन्जॉय करते हो ना. सो आई एन्जॉय द राइड्स. आई एन्जॉय द फूड. खाते भी हो वहाँ पर सब कुछ. सो आई एन्जॉय द फूड. आई एन्जॉय द पॉपकॉर्न, पापड़ी नो लोट. ऑल दिस थिंग्स वी कैन राइट हिट देयर. ओके. देन टेक पेंसिल इन योर हैंड एंड टेक आउट द पेज नंबर 55 of your text book. And with the pencil and eraser also, take out pencil and eraser also. What is written here? Go round the merry-go-round. Circle the letters and say them loud. Right? यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है? यहाँ पे जो letters दिए हुए, which letter? A, B, C, D, all the letters are given. What you have to do? You have to take pencil, or you can take different crayons color and just circle it here. Okay. So suppose here A is given. जैसे कि यहाँ पे A लिखा हुआ है. A, B, C, D. In this way it is written here. देखो ये वाला. Right? So suppose the first letter is A. So speak loudly A in this way. After that circle it. Take the another color. Right? Then again speak loudly B. Right? Take the another color, your favorite color. Then speak C. Right? In this way you have to do the circle. So many letters are there, and what you have to do? You have to circle it and speak it loudly. Okay. So children, in this lesson which opposite word you have learned? तो हमने कौन से तो opposite word learn किए? So in opposite, out. In यानी अंदर, out यानी बाहर. Then up, opposite down. Up, down. Right? Up, down. So in this lesson we learn two opposite words, in opposite out and up opposite down. So these two words we have learned in merry-go-round.